Hey guys, welcome back. And this video is a part two of my previous video. In my previous video, I talked about your dearly thief, that is your mobile phone. And I told you this mobile phone steals your most precious asset, which is your time. And time is God. So in fact, it steals your God, the time, the God that you can invest in yourself, in your education, in your business, and you can make it very productive. But at the same time, this precious asset is going to be robbed off by your cell phone, by your mobile phone. So you have to be very much careful while taking this electronic gadget into your hand and while using it. You got to be very careful about the usage of this thief. It steals the most precious asset, the most precious thing of your life, that is time. And time is your God. It steals your God. Time is your life. It steals your life. So stay tuned for more such professional tips and have a great day.